Hello. My name is Kiki. I live in a tribe in the big forest. Our tribe is called the Moonlight Tribe. We live in the trees and love nature. Today, I want to tell you about my life and my tribe. In the Moonlight Tribe, we have many friends. Our friends are the birds, the rabbits, and the deer. They are all around us in the forest. The birds sing beautiful songs every morning. I love to wake up to their music. The rabbits hop and play. They are very funny. The deer are big and gentle. They walk quietly through the trees. We live in tree houses. Our houses are made of wood and leaves. They are high in the trees, so we can see the forest. I feel safe in my tree house. I can see the sun shining and the stars at night. The forest is beautiful, and I love it so much. Every day, I wake up early. I eat breakfast with my family. We eat fruits and nuts. Fruits are sweet and yummy. We pick them from the trees. My favorite fruit is the red berry. It is small, round, and very tasty. After breakfast, I play with my friends. We run and laugh in the forest. We love to play games like hide and seek. I am very good at hiding. In the afternoon, we help our tribe. Some of us go to gather fruits and nuts. Others make baskets from leaves. I like to help my mom. She is good at making baskets. We use the baskets to carry food and water. It is fun to work together. We sing songs while we work. Our songs are about the forest and the animals. They make us happy. In the evening, we have dinner. We eat together in the big circle. Everyone in the tribe sits together. We share our food and stories. I love to hear stories from the elders. They tell us about the stars and the moon. They say the moon is our friend. The moon watches over us at night. After dinner, we have a special time. We gather around the fire. The fire is warm and bright. We tell stories and sing songs. The flames dance in the night. My favorite story is about the Great Spirit. The Great Spirit made the forest and all the animals. The Great Spirit loves us and helps us. One night, something special happened. The moon was full and bright. The Great Spirit came to our tribe. I saw a light in the sky. It was very beautiful. The light came down to our fire. Everyone was quiet and looked up. The Great Spirit said, "You are good people. Take care of the forest. The forest is your home. We were all very happy. We promised to take care of the trees and animals. After that night, we planted more trees. We made sure to not hurt the forest. The forest gives us food and shelter. It is very important to us. Every year, we have a big festival. The festival is to thank the Great Spirit. We dance and sing. Everyone in the tribe wears special clothes. Our clothes are bright and colorful. We paint our faces with leaves and flowers. It is very fun. We eat a lot of food and share with everyone. We invite the animals to join us, too. The birds come to sing, and the rabbits hop around us. The deer watch from the trees. At the end of the festival, we make a big wish. We wish for happiness, health, and peace for our tribe and the forest. Everyone closes their eyes and thinks. The forest is our home, and we love it so much. I love my life in the Moonlight Tribe. We are happy and live in harmony with nature. We take care of each other and the forest. Every day is a new adventure. We learn new things and play together. The forest is a wonderful place, and I am proud to be a part of the Moonlight Tribe. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you can visit the forest one day and see how beautiful it is. Remember to love nature and take care of it. The forest is our friend.